What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have built this program which give the scroll and the basic things. Now let's continue it. Let's set a scroll bar for the that bookstore. Let's for that list box dot. What I have to do is configure configure y command equals to srl this variable name dot set. What I have done is I have set the vertical axis. I want to scroll vertically, that's why I put the y scroll command for this. And again srl dot configure. What I have to do is command equals to list dot y view. Let's run it. Okay, I got an error. The name is list box. Save it, run it. Okay, so our list bar has been created. Now it's time to create a buttons. uh, let's do that. So guys, let's create a button. Let's say b1 equals to button window comma, let's say text equals to view all. uh, then I have to assign the width for it. Width equals to, let's say 6. I think 6 will be too small. Let's create it 12. And after that let's create a grid for it. b1 dot grid row equals to 2, column equals to 3, and do the same for all buttons. Let me just check how many buttons we have. If I run the python print end.py, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we have 6 buttons. Let's copy it 6 times. 2 3 4 5 6. Change the name of the button. Let's say 2 2 not 2 12. Let's 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 and 6. View all. What's the next button? Search add view. Search add new. What are the other one? Update, delete and close. Update, delete, and last one close. Let's create that also. Let's change the column name, row name, sorry. 3 4 5 6 and 7. Save it. Let's run the file python store.py. Okay, we got an error. Before is not defined 14. Okay, now let's try. Okay, so our button has been created now. So guys, this is the front end part of our program. It has been successfully created. You can check also. Everything in the front end has been created successfully. Now it's time to create some back end. So in the next video I will show you how you can create a back end part of this program. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.